Hey everybody, in this video I'm just going to quickly show how you can change the pivot point of assets that you have in Unreal Engine for motion design graphics. So for example, I've got this basketball that I've imported and the pivot point is at the bottom of the basketball where it makes contact with the ground. That's actually not too conducive for spinning the ball in animations, so I want to move this pivot point to the center of this model. It's actually really easy to do in Unreal, so the first thing I'm going to do is find the asset itself. So I can use this static mesh browse to button, and that brings me to the static mesh asset. I want to duplicate that because I'll just keep the original version in case I've got that in use somewhere else. So with the asset selected in the content browser, I'll use Control D to duplicate that. And I'll just call this one _CTR_PVT for center pivot. Control S to save it, and now I've got this copy that I want to edit. Now I want to make sure that this copy is what I'm editing here in the level. So for my static mesh, I'm going to select this basketball and change the static mesh to the center pivot version. And so now I know I'm using this asset, and now I can go into modeling mode to move that pivot. Now modeling mode is usually activated by default, but if it's not, you can go to edit and plugins, and in your plugins list you could type in the word modeling, and you should see this modeling tools editor mode. If it's not checked, make sure you check it and then restart. But with motion design, that is checked by default. So I can go to our editor modes here and choose modeling. Now I have the basketball selected, so I'm going to go to transform and click on edit pivot. And we have lots of options. I can move this pivot manually if I'd like, anywhere I want. I could rotate it, I can snap it to the bottom, etc. Of course, in this case, I want to center it. And now that I have that new position, I'll choose accept. And you can see that the center pivot asset has been edited. It's got an asterisk, so that edit hasn't been saved. I'll use Control-Shift-S to make sure everything is saved. And now I have a pivot point at the center of the basketball, and I'm ready to make my motion graphics with it. I hope this helps. Until next time, have fun.